Today I wanted to share with you 5 ways that you can gain more joy in your life. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Hice with Pause, Pray, and Simplicity, and also Frugal Living Network. I wanted to share with you some words of encouragement about joy. I know a lot of us are going through heavy times, difficulties, feeling sources of depression and anxiety. So let's fight. Let's fight for joy. How do we get more joy back in our mindsets, our thinking, our relationships, and our life? I'm going to share with you guys, like I said, 5 ways to gain more joy in your life. So number 1, pray. Pray. Ask God for joy. One of my favorite Bible verses is from Galatians 5:17 through 21. It is the fruit of the Spirit. And it says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such things there is no law." And that's what it is. It's fruit of the Spirit. It is a piece of our spirit that the Lord wants to give to us, and that's joy. Joy gives us an opportunity to witness to others, be the light in the darkness. It actually is helpful in regards to our physical, our mental, and our emotional well-being. Joy also impacts our relationships. If you are feeling cranky all the time or downcast all the time, it can really have an impact on your relationships in your marriages, your inner circle of your friendships, your work relationships, and so much more. So number 1, pray. Ask God for the fruit of the Spirit of joy. Number 2, spend time with your community. Do you have a church community? Do you have sources of friendships that you can spend time with? Last night I was at a women's event, and my spirit was just so full of joy. Being around other ladies, we were worshiping, we were spending time just in gratitude, hearing and just believing truths of what God says about ourselves. So number 2, spend time in community. That is a great way to gain more truths. Number 3, maybe read a book about joy. Maybe you need to learn a little bit more on how to gain joy. One of my favorite books is from Kay Warren. It's called Choose Joy. Joy is a choice. It's not based on our circumstances, our situations. If that was the case, we would never be full of joy. So definitely read books if you can on choosing joy. A couple of ways, number 4, to gain more joy is rest. Have fun. Relax. One of the best practices that I can encourage you guys to gain rest is take a day of Sabbath. So one of the days of the week that I practice Sabbath is Saturdays. I take an extra time in the morning to sleep in until 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, whenever my body is ready to wake up. I spend time in the Word. I have a fun breakfast. I go and exercise. I get outdoors. I spend time with those that I have fun with and laughter. And when we are physically, mentally, and emotionally worn down, we are not able to have much joy. So I encourage you guys, take a day a week, whatever works for you. If it's Sunday, if it's Saturday, or maybe you work on the weekends, pick a day during the week that you can just schedule out and spend completely in a day of rest, restoration, not working, and just see how the Lord delivers you from anxieties, weariness, feeling tired. One other way that you can, number 5, to gain more joy is writing out what you are thankful for. God wants to hear your praises, the things that you feel good about. He wants us to pray and worship to good music. Turn on your favorite worship songs. Just write down in the morning, if you can, maybe 3 things that you are thankful for. And right before you go to bed, write down 3 things that you are thankful for from the day. What brought you joy from the day. When I do that, it just gives me this sense of reflection of, boy, how God provided for me, the blessings from the day, the goodness from the day. So I hope these few tips and ideas for you guys to practically take today to gain more joy in your life is helpful. I wanted to just end with a really wonderful Bible verse. It was really encouraging for me, and it's from John 15:11, and it says, "These things I have spoken to you, that my joy may remain in you, and that your joy may be full." Today, I just pray that you will be filled with joy, that you will have an opportunity to spend time with those that you care about, that you will take time of rest and restoration from the exhaustion of work and all the heaviness in the world. I pray that you will also take time in the morning and the evening to write down what you are thankful for. I pray that your health goes well with you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and we will see you in the next video. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.